Inferential analysis is a statistical method that allows researchers to make predictions, inferences, or generalizations about a population based on a sample of data. Unlike descriptive analysis, which focuses solely on summarizing data, inferential analysis uses probability theory to test hypotheses, identify relationships, and estimate population parameters. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether there is enough evidence to reject a null hypothesis. Techniques include t-test, which compares the means of two groups, chi-square test, which examines relationships between categorical variables, and ANOVA, which compares means across multiple groups. For example, testing a new teaching method's impact on student test scores compared to the traditional method. Confidence intervals provide a range of values within which the population parameter is expected to fall with a certain level of confidence, such as 95%. Techniques include estimating the mean or proportion for a population and calculating intervals for differences between groups. For instance, estimating the average income of a city's population based on a sample with a 95% confidence interval. Regression analysis examines the relationship between dependent and independent variables and predicts outcomes. Techniques include linear regression for two continuous variables, multiple regression for one dependent and multiple independent variables, and logistic regression for categorical outcomes. An example is studying how advertising spend affects sales. Correlation analysis measures the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables. Techniques include Pearson's correlation coefficient for linear relationships and Spearman's rank correlation for ranked or non-linear relationships. For example, exploring whether hours of study are positively correlated with exam scores.